This is the cat. That came to play. Yeah, as you see, you too. We got a cat out here. This cat right here. Chilling. Some strange female cat. Very friendly too. It's a friendly cat. Strange female friendly cat. It's a female cat, you know. Just chilling in my backyard. As you can see. Chilling. Looks like you're about to fall asleep. So, Miss Cat, you want to smile for the camera? No. No, I'm too tired. I want to just relax and chill right here. Oh, matter of fact, I'm going in. Where'd he go? Ooh. Here's this bowl of milk. Everybody said they just shouldn't have gave it milk. Because now it's going to keep on coming back. And the cat came back the very next day. And the cat came back. Yeah, the cat came back the very next day. Wow! Wow! Wow, wow, wow. Hey, cat. He likes that chair for some reason. I don't know why. He keeps on snuggling to that chair. I don't know, you guys. Do you think this cat is in heat or something? It's like, I love my milk. Leave me alone. I'm drinking my milk. Milk, yummy, yum. Yummy milk. Yeah. See? Can you say something for the camera? Miss Kitty. This is Kid Cut. I want a memories. So hey girl, could you work that? Could you work that? Hey, this is Pussycat. I don't want to know what he. So hey, could you work that? Do it again. Now I'm playing. Y'all hear that? Oh, what is that? The cat continues to drink its milk. Ah. Wow! Wow! Okay. It's all chilling. Hey, little kitty cat. It starts. And the cat came back the very next day. Little breadcrumbs on the floor. So as you can see, here we got a white, gray, black spotted cat here. Too bad I ain't got a light on it. You can see it better in the light. And the cat came back the very next day.